don't know if you can see right now, but my kitty is like right here. Oh, look at his cute little eyes. Look at it. He goes. Oh, oops. He goes meow meow meow. No. He goes. He goes meow 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 meow. I can't sing. And then he's like. If I could find my cell phone to put that song on. Solid still kidding. No, I don't want to drive smart right now. I'm too young. I was about to say I was too old, but I'm not even old enough to get my permit. Sound. Phone ringtone. Okay, just sit there for a second. We're about to have to get back up or whatever. Shh, shh, no, stop, stop, stop. Oh, snap. Shh, kitty, calm down. He's sitting like a baby. A very squirmy baby. I will lick your whisker to the tune of this song. Ow! Okay. Just gonna do my homework now and have a whisker in my mouth. Because that's not gross or anything. But yeah.